start off this video by saying it's always something. When you own a boat, it's always gonna be something. Alright, let me just show you guys this. What do you guys see wrong there? Yeah, I know. I'll talk to you guys in a second. Hey, do you fix trailers?
Not yet.
No?
I'm going to.
I brought you something, man. So it was just a whole. It started off by this tire popped because I think the owner filled it up too much of air, and the tire popped. But since the leaf springs are broken,
It slipped back.
no, the leaf springs are broken completely. Yeah, these side both are popped. Because I was running it with just this one. I'm like, oh, we're fine. The back one's still good. So between this one jumping up and down, it broke the leaf spring. That breaking the leaf spring popped this tire. And that one. Yeah.
Alright, we'll just leave it here. I'll take it.
You're going to take it where?
I'm going to try to fix one to take it and then redo everything. Here.
Man, I sorry for giving you this mission, bro. I thought this was your house or something. I'm like, oh, we're right here.
No, I'm here doing a job. From here, I got like 3 more to do.
And this is not going to put you in a bad spot?
No, I'll get it done. Oh, look, bro, this shit's broken back here.
What else broke?
The undercarriage is broken.
The undercarriage is what?
This, see? Now there's nothing holding, the screw's just there.
Yeah, yeah.
The whole thing, bro. It's all rusted off.
But like always, guys, it's always something. I'm going to be leaving the boat with Eddie. Let me show you his contact information. If you guys need any roadside assistance for your trailers, you guys need to do anything, here you go. 24-hour service, super cool guy. That's his phone number. I literally call him when I'm on the road. Hey, I'm broken down. He's like, hey, I'm doing a job, but bring it here. So he's at a customer's house, and now he's gonna fix this and take it back to his place where he can fix it. So I highly recommend you have any types of trailers, hit him up. Oh, right there, hit him up. His name is Eddy. Sell him boat vibes. So let's unhook the trailer. Hey, what do you want this trailer? Leave it right there? All right. So you gonna take it off completely? There we go. In less than 24 hours, this guy helped me out. You know, because of you, I'm gonna be able to go to a run tomorrow, right?
That's good.
So less than 24 hours. I dropped off the trailer yesterday like at 4 in a customer's house.
In the middle of the street.
In the middle of the street.
With 2 blown tires and a broken axle.
With broken axle, 2 blown tires, broken leaf springs.
No brackets.
No brackets. And this guy, he's giving me a brand new trailer in less than 24 hours. All new brackets, because these are all corroded. 2 new tires that blew. The two good ones are in the rear. New leaf springs. New everything.
You want to show what your brackets look like?
Yeah, this is what I gave him the trailer looking like. I mean, it would have still had like another year, I think. Well, yeah, that's what but now everything's new, and we're gonna go to the house and put the Donzi on it. So, thank you, bro.
No problem, bro.
Appreciate it, man. You guys need any trailer work, hit them up. I highly recommend them.
Unlimited trailer repair. We'll be there.
Whatever you need, 24 hours a day. Or you just call him at 3 a.m. He'll pick up.
Yeah, I call anytime. I have always answer.
All right, let's load it up to the truck. It's official. Go. Well, I hope you guys found that amusing. We finally got the boat back on the trailer. I just gotta get this and move it forward and move the whole boat forward because it's sitting way back. And yeah, she's almost ready to go to the run tomorrow. So we're gonna be running the Checkmate on Sunday. I cleaned the fuel injectors and I put a fuel water separator. I cleaned the gas tank. I changed the spark plugs. Spark plugs were disgusting. What else did I do to this thing? I changed the impeller, lower unit oil, fuel filter inside. So I pretty much did a complete tune-up service to this boat. We're going to be running it on Sunday. I'm going to be posting a video on that soon of everything I did to this boat. But for now, for tomorrow, we're going to be using the Donzi. And there's a run from Key Largo all the way to Port Augusta, I think it's called. It's a little bit past Isla Morada. There's gonna be a bunch of cats, a bunch of go fast guys, and it's gonna be a good time, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna move that forward. I'm gonna wash the boat and go over everything, check the oil and go over everything because it's a 64 mile round trip and I don't want no issues. Old Reliable never lets me down. She's just really dirty right now. It was a mission, guys. But again, I hope you found that amusing. Do not do this by yourself. Do not do this at home. I only recorded this for you guys to enjoy and laugh at me. All right, so I'm cool with that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it to all your friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.